Many of us have experienced drawers opening whilst our motorhome is in motion, and in this video, we are going to make some suggestions on how to avoid this happening. When loading the drawers, the weight of the objects inside should be distributed throughout the surface area of the drawer and not just in the middle, as many of us tend to do. Indeed, the heaviest objects should be placed at the edges of the drawer. This will help ensure that the drawer does not force itself open during cornering. Usually there is a sticker indicating the maximum weight of the drawer, usually 10 to 15 kilos. Do not exceed this weight. If there is no sticker, then the operating instructions should give the weight. One can buy an anti-slip mat which will stop objects in the drawer from moving. There is also special equipment which protects delicate items such as glass from getting broken. We know that it is easy to forget, but always try to remember to push lock the drawers before driving and try to make it a habit to check that all drawers are locked before starting off on your journey.